Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza and I'm here again with a new deal regarding Inmotion Hosting. So Inmotion Hosting is one of my ever favorite hosting from the last few months, based on their optimized performance and their 24/7 support, which made them out of the stand. So in case if you are looking for Inmotion deals, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you can achieve. So what you have to do is to click on the link in the description. Once you click on that link, you will be entitled to amazing deals. Okay, there is a special discounted coupon already running for shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting and dedicated hosting. In case if you ask me, even for a WordPress hosting, I definitely recommend you to offer the shared hosting, because in shared hosting you can also host WordPress hosting. So what, just need to click on the link in the description to get all an amazing discount running on shared hosting. You can see that you can save up to 65% over here. In this plan you are saving 68%, and when it comes to WordPress you are saving 65%, and in when it comes to VPS your saving is huge and goes till 67%. So all in all, to get this amazing, you can see that the prices have been reduced from the original price. Just make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing price. And in case if you ask me which plan to offer, I'd recommend you to just have a research on all of the plans to look around, but my personal opinion is to offer the launch plan. Even the core plan is also good. You can host up to 2 websites, it's good. But in case if you need a free domain, then go with this plan. Otherwise this plan core is also good to go with. So good luck with your hosting with Inmotion. Good luck.